Hey, beautiful souls. Welcome to Lex TV, where flavor meets soul. My name is Annie B, and you read the caption. In today's video, we are making fried chicken wings. This is an absolutely, definitely delicious fried chicken wings recipe, Jamaican jerk style, using the Chinese technique of using potato starch, corn starch. So you have that classic Chinese crispy crust. Listen to me. Who does not like fried chicken wings? Let me know down in the comment section if you like fried chicken wings, because these will not disappoint. And of course, I had to make some sides. I made some coleslaw and some mashed potato with gravy. I typically don't like coleslaw, but I found a way to make it taste so good. And I don't have the recipe for that in this video, but I'll leave the recipe for both the mashed potato and the coleslaw in the description box below. Okay, ain't nothing to it but to get into it. You saw me clean my wings, and now I patted them dry after cleaning them, and now we're making our marinade with some citrus salt that I really like. Citrus, it has lime, orange, all that good stuff. Then we added some black pepper. I'm adding a little bit of thyme leaves I have here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add some Italian seasoning to bulk up the herb flavor. And then I have some ground allspice, some paprika. We have some ground ginger. Please keep in mind there are different variations of jerk seasoning. And so each time I just go with my feelings. Okay, we got garlic powder, onion powder. I go with my feeling on what variation I want to use for that specific recipe. So I have ground cinnamon, and then I'm going to go ahead and add some low sodium soy sauce. Okay. This recipe was so good. So good. I was like, I want fried chicken wings, but I kind of want the coating to be a little like the Chinese fried chicken wings. Mine was a little thicker, but it had that crisp crust. Okay. All right. So now I'm adding an egg to the seasoning mixture. I added some lemon juice also to the seasoning mixture. I'm giving that a good mix. Mix that thing on up. I'm adding some more I said lemon juice, but I mean lime juice. Excuse me. Or at least I think I said lemon juice. Y'all forgive me. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and add a little salt to my wings. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in the marinade that we made. And this is going to sit and marinate for about 30 minutes. Make sure it's well coated. Make sure all the wings are coated evenly. Get all that delicious flavor all up and through those wings. Okay. All right, so now here's our flour mixture. I'm adding a little flour, a little cornstarch, and a little potato starch. I've also done a chicken wings recipe where I only used potato starch. And I think when I did it that way, it came out like exactly like how the crust would be in the Chinese store. This one was a little thicker to me. All right, now I'm seasoning my flour mixture with garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. And then we're going to give that a good whisk. Oh, and thank you all for tuning in. I appreciate every single one of you. Every one of you that tunes into these cooking videos, I appreciate you, because I love food, I love cooking, and most importantly, I love sharing the things that I cook with you all. So thank you for tuning in. So here I just went ahead and added my mixture, my flour mixture, to my wings and tossed that in the wings. Shake off any excess. I actually forgot to do that with this recipe. I forgot to shake off the excess, which also made the crust a little thicker, but it still was absolutely delicious. Okay, but be sure to shake off the excess, unlike me, because I'm forgetful sometimes. And look at how golden this looks. You want to make sure your oil starts to get hot before adding your wings, because you want the crust to be nice and golden brown. I was burning my fingers up right there. You want the crust to be golden brown like this. Look how beautiful that looks. And because I added cinnamon and allspice, the color of the wings is a little darker than your typical Chinese style wing. But look at that. Yum. I love fried chicken wings. And I love fried chicken breasts. I know that sounds crazy, but I absolutely love fried chicken breasts. I did get a call in the middle of this voiceover. My mama called me Mama Madness, who I dearly love. But yeah, I love fried chicken breasts. It just has to be juicy. I know a lot of people don't like the breast because they think that it's dry, but you just have to cook it properly, just like anything else. You can make wings dry. You can make thigh dry if you cook it too long. So you just got to cook it to the right degrees. And now my favorite thing to do is to make a nice looking plate of food. So you know what I want you guys to do down in the comments? Let me know if you would order this. Oh, my son. Okay, hold on. Okay, and we're back. I'm making this plate of food. Like I was saying, I want you guys to go down in the comments. Let me know if you would order this. Would you order these Jamaican jerk fried chicken with inspired by, the Chinese style crust? And again, remember the coleslaw and the mashed potatoes and gravy recipe is not in this video, but it will be in the description box for you guys to check out. But the main attraction are these wings, all right? These Jamaican jerk fried chicken wings. And I also made a pepper sauce. That's the pepper sauce you see there. It's very spicy, nice, full of flavor, robust flavor. These flavors are bold and delicious. And you have the nice, bright zestiness of the coleslaw. And I don't really like coleslaw. I don't know if you guys remember me telling y'all that, but I make mine delicious, I must say. All right, look at how Lexi cleaned her plate. That was her plate with the flats, because I like the fats. Let me know which ones y'all like, the flats or the fats. But look, that's how you clean a plate, okay? Anyways, I love you all, and I thank you all for tuning into this video. I pray that you all have been blessed, and I pray that you have an amazing day. Peace.